Ever wondered if someone in your life might be a narcissist? Here are 7 key traits to look out for. Trait number 1, grandiosity. They'll constantly brag and expect special treatment. Trait number 2, lack of empathy. They struggle to understand or care about others' feelings. Trait number 3, sense of entitlement. They believe they deserve special treatment without giving back. Trait number 4, manipulative behavior. They use charm and deception to get what they want. Trait number 5, attention-seeking. They crave constant admiration and will do anything to be the center of attention. Trait number 6, difficulty with criticism. They can't handle being criticized and often become defensive. Trait number 7, lack of accountability. They refuse to take responsibility for their actions and blame others instead. Spotting a narcissist can be tricky, but being aware of these traits can help you navigate those relationships. Stay safe out there, and if you spot one, run. Subscribe for more insights.